Hi guys, I hope that you are doing well. I want to say congratulations for getting to midterm, and I hope that you've noticed that most of you have brought your grades up if that was a concern for you. Please know that I'm willing to help. I wanted to go over the survey results. I really appreciate you filling those out so that I can make adjustments to best serve your needs. So just to look at, we see that most of you feel optimistic, and so I'm happy about that. And then I'll kind of go through that you like to communicate with me via email, and that's fine. Please continue to do so. But I do encourage you, if you're struggling, to text me or pick up the phone, because sometimes we can get a solution within minutes, and we don't have, you don't have to wait that long to kind of get a resolution. So please, I'm here to help. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. exceptions, class, and sometimes live. But if you call me, I'll absolutely pick up the phone or get back to you. So please think about that. You guys like the weekly check-in. You said that you like group work and discussion boards, so I'm happy about that. One person made the suggestion that perhaps when we do group work, I can give a deadline to have the group component done, and then maybe have the individual submission done. So I will work on that. And then one person said that the second is the discussion board, so we'll keep doing that. Another person, and I won't read your individual comments, but one person said that they would like for me, you guys liked the weekly announcements, but maybe I could do the videos again to kind of show you where everything is, and I'm more than happy to do that. I think that we will keep plugging along. I am here to help you, and as far as late work, I will work with you 70%, and if you have extenuating circumstances, maybe once, and you'll see them when you get into your own classroom. It's a fine line of balancing everything, so please know that I'm here to help you in any way that I can, and I really appreciate your hard work. And I know some of you were kind enough to share with me some of the things that have been going on in your lives, and I'm so sorry that you have had illness in your family, or the passing of a family member. And I want you to know I get it. I finished one of my graduate degrees when my daughter was 3 months old, and I wasn't sleeping, and I was working full time, and so I know what it feels like. One person said, hey, it's hard to even find time to do things that I enjoy, and I totally get it. I'm going back to school myself. So I know what it's like to balance family and work. I remember, in 2020, my mom passed after a long battle with cancer, and I do want you to understand that I know what that feels like, to try to balance school when everything else kind of has to supersede that. So please know that I'm here to help you in any way that I can to succeed, and don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you guys have a relaxing spring break, and if there's anything that I can do to help, just let me know. See you soon.